An exclusive focus team investigation as well. In a medical emergency, timing is everything. You know that. After it was too late to get a beloved Clarksville man to the hospital on Election Day, town leaders say it's now time to start their own EMS. Focus Investigator John Charlton has the data on current response times, which shows on average that help is taking way too long.
Clarksville, Indiana, not necessarily densely populated.
Around 10 square miles, 22,000 residents.
But certainly a destination.
We have a lot of big box stores, entertainment, dining. The people in our town increases dramatically during business hours.
Especially during the holidays. 'Tis the season for staying busy, dispatching help, which should never be too far away.
We have a decent response time of 4 to 5 minutes. You know, we're there on scene a lot before the other service gets there.
That other service on November 7th was an ambulance. It was Election Day.
For an unconscious subject at Renaissance Academy, 806 Eastern Boulevard.
David Red Worrell, who was running for town council, went into cardiac arrest at the polling station.
You had a lot of people saying, where's the ambulance, where's the ambulance, where's the ambulance?
Anxiously asking that question included police and firefighters on scene.
Police are requesting an ETA.
State Road 62 in the background.
The closest available ambulance was almost 10 miles away.
Can you advise an updated ETA for police?
Salem overrun.
It took almost 15 minutes after being dispatched to arrive. Then another 11 minutes.
Notify them we're coming in with a full arrest. Approximately 60-year-old male.
To get to Clark Memorial Hospital. Sadly, it was too late for Red Worrell.
Are you even satisfied with the service you're getting here in Clarksville?
No, I'm not.
No.
No.
It's time for a change?
Yeah, it is.
Chief Brandon Skaggs doesn't want Clarksville to rely on New Chapel EMS anymore. Clark County has contracted with a private company since 2020 to provide advanced life support and transport. In that contract, New Chapel agreed to have 6 ambulances countywide, including 1 ambulance to be strategically located for the Clarksville district.
Are you aware of any New Chapel ambulances that are constantly stationed in Clarksville?
I do not. I don't know where that strategic placement for them really is.
According to data Focus received on New Chapel response times, the average for the year was 10 minutes and 58 seconds. Between August and September, average times ranged from 10 minutes and 25 seconds to 10 minutes and 49 seconds.
Consistently, it's between 10 and 11 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Is that too long?
It is for me.
Chief Skaggs believes he could cut response times in more than half if Clarksville establishes its own EMS.
4 to 5 minutes.
You think you could get that with your own crew?
We currently get that with our fire engines running on first responder runs.
Chief Skaggs wants to have at least 3 ambulances, with 1 assigned to each of Clarksville's 3 districts. He says he'd also need to hire another 9 EMTs and 12 paramedics.
The sticker shock is going to be the startup cost. You're looking around $3.5 million. You're looking around 2.4 operating cost after that a year.
He and the town are currently exploring ways to cover the cost. However, it will still be substantially more than the $275,000 Clarksville pays Clark County for New Chapel EMS, a company started by beleaguered former sheriff Jamie Knoll.
The timing of this, some people suspect you want to do this to distance yourself from Jamie Knoll and all the legal troubles he's in right now.
That's with Jamie. I'm looking at this from fact-based. I'm looking at this from what my community needs, and Jamie's situation has nothing to do with our actions right now.
Chief Skaggs says discussions had already been ongoing well before the contract with New Chapel. And if anyone was the impetus for starting Clarksville's own EMS, that would be Red Worrell.
That was a tough one. We know that we're not satisfied with what we're getting, and we know that our community needs more.
If he gets the green light, Chief Skaggs says the earliest Clarksville could get its own EMS up and running would be at the beginning of 2025. Meanwhile, efforts to get New Chapel to comment were unsuccessful. In Clarksville, I'm John Charlton, WHAS 11, on your side.